Most side hustles fail not because the idea was bad, but because the numbers were never tracked. You cannot grow what you cannot measure. Here is the exact tracking system I wish I had on day one. Every payment, date, source, and amount, log it the same day. Even a $5 payment counts and gets written down. You cannot grow a number you have never looked at. App subscriptions, supplies, tools, any advertising spend. These reduce your tax bill at year-end. They are not just costs. A separate bank account makes expense tracking automatic. Every Sunday, what came in, what went out, what is the profit? Calculate profit, not just revenue, every single week. One honest number tells you if this is working or not. Not a vague goal like make more money. Specific, earn $500 in 90 days from digital products on Gumroad. Work backwards to figure out exactly what you need to do each week. Income log, expense log, and profit summary on one printable page. Monthly goal versus actual. See if you are on track at a glance. Simple enough to actually use every week without dreading it. The free side hustle income tracker in the description is the exact one-page system I just described. Download it from the link below and fill in your first entry today. New tips Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.